wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best yoga DVDs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Longtime instructor Shiva Ray demonstrates power flow with a calming hypnotic voice. There are 13 segments you can mix and match to create a workout that fits your needs, though a few are repeats from some of her previous DVDs. It features live drumming and over 3 hours of content. However, note that it is for advanced yogis. At number 9, Stretch for Beginners and Beyond offers 2 basic routines designed for those just getting started in the practice, with a morning series to energize you first thing and an evening series to help you wind down from a hectic day. It's got a lovely poolside setting and gentle soothing music, but it is pricey for only 1 hour of material. Coming in at number 8 on our list, Prenatal Vinyasa offers a variety of safe workouts from 15 to 75 minutes to guide you through all stages of pregnancy. All 3 trimesters are covered with appropriate modifications, and there's even a segment of bonus childbirth poses to help you during labor. It assists with postpartum recovery and includes a 10-minute partner routine. However, it is a bit challenging for beginners. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for yoga DVDs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Jillian Michaels' Meltdown features the popular trainer in a routine that incorporates classic poses with dynamic repetitions to help you burn calories. While it's not like traditional yoga, you will still improve your flexibility and focus. It offers 2 workout levels and includes a beginner demonstrator, but there's no opportunity for rest. Moving up our list to number 6. Yoga for Seniors understands that for folks over 70, physical abilities can vary wildly from one person to another. It seeks to address this with 3 complete practices that begin with gentle movements and gradually get more challenging. It helps improve posture and builds endurance. It's ideal for those with mobility issues. Halfway up our list at number 5. Body Wisdoms for Beginners is the ideal choice for those who don't like doing the same routine day after day. It includes 6 discs covering a wide range of topics, such as learning the basics, stress relief, building strength, and tips for inflexible people. It also addresses mental health, and there are both short and extended options. It includes a bonus discussion of meditation. At number 4, Gaiam's Power Collection is a compilation of well-known yoga master Rodney Yee's most dynamic and challenging workouts. 1 disc provides you with 3 one-hour intermediate to advanced routines focused on developing an athletic, sculpted body. It's a high-quality production that comes in at a great price for 3 workouts. It's very well paced. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If it's been a while since you last exercised, then gentle yoga is a great way to get back into it. It's aimed at adults in midlife and beyond, and includes 7 practices addressing a variety of needs, all performed against the calming backdrop of Glacier National Park. It includes a helpful routine for office workers and ends with guided relaxation. It teaches over 100 poses. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for yoga DVDs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Gaiam's For Your Week is designed to keep you committed to your workouts with 5 20-minute practices. This one is best for enthusiasts already familiar with basic yoga, as the routines flow from pose to pose without stopping for instruction. It fits into a busy lifestyle and features both energy and relaxation options and advanced poses in the strength routine. And taking the top spot on our list, results-driven men and women who have never taken a class in their lives will appreciate Yoga Boost, designed for beginners who are seeking the benefits of the art but don't want anything overly spiritual. These routines focus on strength building and improving mobility. This is a low-impact option that's made for all ages with extremely clear instructions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for yoga DVDs, or simply click beneath this video.